Audi R8 LMS from Mattel Brick Shop's Elite Series. The Elite Series is the middle tier of the Brick Shop lineup. And as always, you do get an exclusive 64 scale die-cast car. At this tier, it also has metal alloys for the wheels, which can be customized and swapped out with the other ones. And you don't get those in the smaller Speed Series sets. And I've got to say, out of all the Brick Shop models, this is definitely my favorite. One of the best looking models they've ever made. Mattel were really good and sent me this over as a gift, so no contract. I can say my own opinions, whether good or bad on this thing, so I do really appreciate it. Right, I can't wait any longer. Let's get this thing built. Oof, that is a very weighty, premium looking build book that you get with this model. Yeah, very cool. How cool is this, guys? It's a little nitrous oxide bottle that's gonna go in the car. And it's also got its own rubber pipe as well that goes on the top here. So yeah, we've got our nitrous oxide bottle all connected up. I didn't expect that. Really wicked job with this, Mattel. Some of the best parts of this build are features like this little reclining sports chair that is really well put together, and I had no clue what it was going to be when I was building it, and it really suits the car. This awesome crescent-shaped flat bottom steering wheel, which just looks great, and it does function as a normal steering wheel as well. Building the engine block was fantastic. That was a lot of fun to do. Just finishing off the back end there, and it does look beautiful, doesn't it, guys? It's coming together now. We get a look at the front grille. Mattel did make a note about these headlights as well, saying instead of stickers, this build uses 100% bricks to recreate the headlights. And they've got a printed highlight line as well around here, which is cool. And it does work really well. It brings the front end together with that grille. Definitely looking really good at this stage. Guessing this is the badge for the bonnet. And that's the front end, guys. Well, we got two very substantial doors, which have printed handles on the outside and actual handles on the inside as well. It's all about those little details with the Brick Shop, like the fact that the bricks for the wing mirrors are actually a little bit reflective. Yeah, let's get these on. Nice big black spoiler to clip on. So with these 4 premium rubber wheels, you do get sports brake discs inside, which are perforated as well. And we do get a choice between Hot Wheels' own alloys and some officially licensed metal Audi wheels. And those are the ones I'm gonna go with, actually, these black alloys. And these should just pop in the center and click in. Yeah, easy. Makes it a little bit more or less catching. Ooh, it rolls really well. That's actually pretty cool, guys. I do like that a lot. Let's pop that base plate on as well. And that like clips in, that's cool. And it says we have completed the full build of this car now. So yeah, here's the finished Audi R8 LMS from Mattel Brick Shop. And I've got to say, I've had a lot of fun building this thing, guys. It was actually a fantastic build. I really liked building up the dash because it looked really bare bones in the interior without that dash. And I thought, this is never going to look good. And then I built up the dashboard and it looked fantastic. I wasn't expecting it at that point. There was a few little surprises, including, as I said before, the NOS canister. That was a big surprise. But definitely my favorite thing about this model has got to be that back end and being able to open the rear glass to have a little look inside of the engine bay. I just like the fact that you can see all of the effort that you've put in when building it as well. And I think once you complete the back end section, you're kind of really involved in this thing because it just looks so good, that back end. and it kind of spurred me on to get the whole build finished as quick as possible as well. Great livery, great colors. What more do you want, guys? Well, if you did want more, you do get more with this, because you also get the exact same car as a die-cast casting from Hot Wheels. It does have loads of detailing on the front and on the back end of this as well. Absolutely stunning casting. Definitely premium level, just doesn't have those rubber wheels. And it's got the same livery as the big model. And I've got to say, the livery on this model is one of my favorites that I've ever seen for a modern day R8, because it's inspired by the 1980s Audi Quattro rally cars that all had this yellow and white livery. And I do have a model from the Redline Club, which is this, the 1985 Audi Sport Quattro S1, which does have that livery on it as well. But yeah, can you tell that these things have been inspired by the rally cars? Yeah, definitely. I think the original Audi R8 with this livery on was for a special Audi race at the Nuremberg, but I'll not waffle on about that anyway, guys. I'll pop this back over here, keep it safe. So I have built, well, it's over here, let me go get it. The Camaro from the Speed series, and I gotta say, this is a massive step up in the Elite series. I really did enjoy doing the Speed series, but it does feel like a bit of a toy compared to this thing. This is just beyond what I was expecting. Pop this over here. And if you've never built a Brick Shop model, I wanna say that the pieces fit together so well. Sometimes it is a bit of a struggle to push them together. They are quite tough, and I feel like that's a really good strength for Mattel Brick Shop, because it feels like you're locking the pieces into place. So yeah, I did struggle with a couple of pieces, the smaller ones, but maybe it's just my hand strength. I need to do a little bit more hand strength training or something. But most of the pieces just had a really satisfying snap. And the build itself overall was just a heck of a lot of fun. You can also customize the car as well. There's a bag left here that I'll customize it with. And I think it gets a different color spoiler, and it also adds a big front spoiler on the bottom here, like a nice big chin. That looks wicked. But for now, I'd like to keep mine completely stock because it looks fantastic, doesn't it? One of the best things about the Mattel Brick Shop is that they put so much effort into making these things look realistic rather than just a brick build. So you're getting a lot of these curves that you wouldn't get in other brick built cars, and a few unique pieces that they like to put in. And what that means is, even if you're not massively into brick built cars, I honestly think that any collector would enjoy having this on the shelf. I mean, ask yourself, let me know in the comments, guys, would you like this on your shelf? Does it look good? Let me know, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy hunting, guys.